your mind, 'cause you got me feeling, 'cause I got no problems. I want the whole world to know you're mine. I want the whole world to know you're mine, 'cause you got me feeling, 'cause I got no doubts. I want the whole world to know you're mine.
Love our silly little freak sister, and so glad that she's found someone who not only embraces that, but matches her. You guys are two peas in a pod. It's amazing. And just amazing, Court, that you found the perfect fit, the last piece of our family puzzle.
I got somebody at home, and if I stay, I might not leave alone. No, honey, I'm good. I could have another, but I probably should not. I gotta bid you adieu to another. I will stay true. I will stay true. I will stay true.
So when you know somebody as well as like we've known John for close to 30 years, you think you have seen it all and you think that you've seen all the different sides of somebody. One of I think the most special parts about y'all's relationship that we can talk about is that it has opened a whole nother part of John that we've never seen, is this rush of happiness and joy that's coming out of John that we didn't even know was there.
So she said, what's the problem, baby? What's the problem? I don't know. Well, maybe I'm in love. Think about it every time I think about it. Can't stop thinking about it. How much longer will it take to cure this? Just to cure it, 'cause I can't ignore it. If it's love, makes me wanna turn around and face you, but I don't know anything about it. Come on, turn a little faster. Come on, the world will follow after. Come on, 'cause everybody's after.
You are the brightest star in my sky, always guiding me, a constant in my life that gives me security. Even if you were a million miles away, I would still feel your presence like a light that never fades. No matter the distance, no matter the challenges, I know we'll find our way back to each other because our love is uncontainable, unscripted, and fearless. Together, we've built something so much stronger, a love that's grown through our adventures and challenges and the silly, unexpected moments in between. You are my heart, my home, my greatest love, and the best part of my everyday. And I promise to spend my life making sure you always feel that way.
Well, I didn't mean to do it, but there's no
Okay, can we go slow? Okay. Oh my God! You look gorgeous, baby. You look beautiful. I love it. I absolutely, you look stunning. You're so nice.
We're getting married!
You know I had my guard up in an effort to protect my heart, but you were quick to say with the utmost confidence that you were a cardiovascular ICU nurse and that hearts were kind of your specialty. You told me that no matter how long it took, you would be there to patiently break down my wall brick by brick.
father, and now welcoming you into our home and our family. The only major piece of advice is that never, ever take each other for granted. I want to thank you all for coming here tonight, and let's have a lot of fun. So raise your glasses to John and Courtney. We all love you. Cheers.
Once again, a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for the father of the bride.
As we say our dues today, I vow to be your partner in all things, to adventure and grow with you, to be present in every moment and listen with compassion.
John and Courtney, do you take each other to be your lawfully wedded spouses, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, when filled to the brim or incredibly hangry, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish until death do you part?
We do.
We do.
On to the next step without your help. They've decided to hide, I don't know why, each other's rings in a box under your chairs in the audience. Come on up, you're part of the wedding now. Come on up.
This one's for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes, it is.
Thank you.
Courtney, with this ring I thee wed.
You've brought so much energy, laughter, and adventure.
You've brought so much energy, laughter, and adventure.
John, with this ring I thee wed.
You've been my anchor, bringing stability.
You've been my anchor, bringing stability.
And calm when I need it most.
And calm when I need it most.
This ring is a promise.
This ring is a promise.
That no matter where life takes us.
That no matter where life takes us.
I'll be your steady ground.
I'll be your steady ground.
Every time I see this ring.
Every time I see this ring.
I'll remember how much you believe in me.
I remember how much you believe in me.
And how much fun we have together.
And how much fun we have together.
You're my safe place.
You're my safe place.
And my greatest adventure all at once.
And my greatest adventure all at once.
I'm on the way up. I'm on the way up. I'm on the way up. I'm on the way up.
I wanted to say thank you all for being here. We really appreciate your being here.
If anything does go out of hand, or if maybe somebody drinks too much, we're in good hands, y'all. There's a lot of nurses and medical staff here. We are in good hands.
I'm off the clock.
Hey, it's a good day to be anybody if your name is me. Shout it from the rooftop shamelessly. I love her and she loves me. Hey, it's a good day to be alive. No lie, can't play with me. If I died, I die happily. 'Cause I love her and she loves me. She loves me, she loves me. She told me.
Whether you're goofing around or dancing your way through life, one thing is clear. You're each other's perfect partner in every sense. So by the power vested in me quite recently, and with the full knowledge that you two will always be dancing and having the best time together, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Let's go out with a bang. John, you may kiss your bride.
In this moment, I am holding you so tight. Can you believe our dreams have become real life? Let's dance away the night and stand the test of time. Can you believe our dreams have become real life?
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you for the first time Mr. and Mrs. Rusnak.
Home is where we make our memories. Home is where we learn what lucky really means. Home is where we make our memories. Home is where we learn what lucky really means.
I'm gonna be all of those things for you.
I love you. I was crying so hard. Yeah, we did it! We made
Look at that.